Welcome back to RV Deep Dive, the place where we explore the most innovative and jaw-dropping motorhomes in the world. And today, I have something truly special for you. Imagine combining Toyota's world-class reliability with a futuristic design that takes RV living to an entirely new level. Imagine a camper that doesn't just spread out wide, but climbs into the sky like a rolling tower of luxury. Well, that dream is here, and it's called the 2026 Toyota Double-Decker Camper, a $145,000 tower on wheels that redefines what it means to travel in style. If you've ever dreamed of living in a luxury penthouse but still wanted the freedom of the open road, this might just be the camper for you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive deep into everything this two-story masterpiece has to offer. From its futuristic exterior design to the smart, space-maximizing double-decker interior, we're going to explore every single detail so you can decide whether this unique Toyota motorhome deserves a spot on your RV wish list. Let's start on the outside, because the first time you lay eyes on the Toyota double-decker camper, it's impossible not to be impressed. Unlike most Class A or Class C motorhomes, which stick to a single level and maybe throw in a loft bed above the cab, Toyota decided to go bold with a full double-decker design. That means when you see this camper rolling down the road, it looks less like an RV and more like a futuristic tour bus designed for the elite. The front fascia immediately sets the tone. Sleek LED headlights run horizontally across the sculpted front, with Toyota's signature grille integrated smoothly into the body. This isn't your boxy, old-school camper van. The 2026 double-decker looks aerodynamic, sharp, and modern, with a hint of luxury coach styling. The windshield stretches tall, giving the driver a panoramic view of the road, while also contributing to that commanding presence. And because Toyota is all about function as much as form, this large windshield has built-in defogging and rain-sensing wipers, so no weather can slow you down. Moving around the sides, you'll notice the smooth, contoured body panels that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Important when you're moving such a tall vehicle. But Toyota hasn't just made it practical, they've made it stylish. Subtle chrome accents highlight the windows, and the double-row design of glass makes it obvious from the outside that this isn't just a regular RV. The upper-level windows stretch nearly the length of the vehicle, flooding the interior with natural light and giving passengers a true tower view experience wherever they park. Down below, the camper rides on heavy-duty 20-inch alloy wheels designed to balance strength with smooth ride comfort. The tires are reinforced for long-haul travel, whether you're gliding down highways or venturing into rougher back roads. Toyota's engineering means the suspension has been fine-tuned to handle. Storage is a big deal for RV owners, and Toyota nailed it here. Along the lower panels, you'll find multiple external storage compartments with flush-mounted doors. These aren't tiny lockers either. There's enough space for camping gear, folding chairs, outdoor grills, or even bicycles. And because this is a Toyota, the latches and hinges feel rock solid, designed for years of use without wearing out. There's even a special utility bay where you'll find the water hookup. Every exterior detail has been designed to blend practicality with wow factor aesthetics. From the aerodynamic shape to the smart use of lighting, from the flush compartments to the dual level glass design. This is one camper that looks just as incredible parked at a campsite as it does cruising down the interstate. At $145,000, you'd expect it to turn heads, and trust me, it does. This is the kind of RV that makes people stop and stare, wondering what kind of futuristic machine just rolled by. And that's just the outside. The real magic of the Toyota double-decker camper lies inside. Because when you step into this mobile tower, stepping inside the Toyota double-decker camper feels like stepping into the future of RV living. The automatic sliding door glides open with a soft hum, and the first thing you notice is how airy and modern the space feels. Toyota has designed this interior with the same attention to detail that they give to their premium SUVs and luxury sedans, but scaled it up into a motorhome environment. This isn't just a camper, it's a statement. Let's start with the cockpit, because Toyota knows that no matter how luxurious the living space is, the driving experience needs to be just as smooth. Slide into the driver's seat, and you're greeted with plush leather upholstery that feels supportive even before you adjust it. Both driver and passenger seats are fully powered, with heating, cooling, and memory functions. In front of you, the digital dashboard stretches wide across the cockpit, displaying everything from speed and navigation to battery levels and tire pressure. The infotainment system runs on Toyota's latest software, with a large central screen that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Toyota's proprietary voice assistant. With just a few words, you can set your route, adjust cabin climate, or even check the camper. Now, step back from the cockpit into the main lower-level living space. And here's where things really get interesting. The first impression is space. Unlike many RVs that feel cramped the second you step inside, the Toyota double-decker makes you feel like you've walked into a modern city apartment. High ceilings, clean lines, and a clever open layout make every square foot feel usable. On one side, you've got a lounge area with a plush sofa that can seat 3 comfortably. This sofa isn't just for sitting. It converts into an additional bed at night if you've got extra guests. Opposite the sofa is a smartly mounted 50-inch LED TV, complete with a premium JBL sound system. Whether you're watching movies, streaming Netflix, or following GPS directions on the big screen, this entertainment hub turns travel downtime into pure enjoyment. The kitchen is next. Directly across from the kitchen, you'll find a sleek dining booth with seating for 4. The table is collapsible, so it can be tucked away when not in use, opening the floor space for movement. Large windows surround this area, and with the push of a button, electric blinds slide down for privacy. At breakfast, you can sit here sipping coffee while enjoying a sunrise through panoramic glass, and at night, the area feels cozy and intimate. Toward the rear of the lower level is a compact but functional bathroom. Toyota's designers took advantage of every inch here. The shower is enclosed with glass doors, equipped with a rainfall showerhead and adjustable settings for water efficiency. Next to it, there's a sleek ceramic sink with under-cabinet storage and an LED-lit mirror above. The toilet is eco-friendly, using a cassette system that's easy to empty at campsites. Ventilation fans keep the air fresh. At the center of this upper deck is the master bedroom. A full queen-size bed sits against the rear wall, flanked by built-in nightstands and reading lights. The bed lifts electronically to reveal storage space underneath, perfect for extra bedding, clothing, or even travel gear. Above the bed, a skylight opens at the push of a button, letting you stargaze from the comfort of your mattress. Imagine lying here in the desert, mountains, or by the ocean, gazing at the stars from your elevated rolling penthouse. Moving forward on the upper level, you'll find a secondary lounge space. Depending on configuration, this can be set up as a work-from-home office with a desk and ergonomic chair, or as a family game room with beanbags, an entertainment console, and even space for a fold-out futon. The beauty of the Toyota double-decker camper is that it gives you flexibility. The upper level can be whatever you need it to be. Everywhere you look, there are smart storage solutions. Hidden cabinets line the walls, overhead compartments tuck into corners, and Toyota has even built the upper floor truly makes this motorhome feel like a luxury tower on wheels. While most RVs struggle to balance space with mobility, Toyota's approach here feels revolutionary. You don't have to compromise between comfort and functionality. Instead, you get the best of both, a full downstairs living space and an upstairs sanctuary that feels like your own private retreat. And that's the interior in all its glory, from the futuristic cockpit to the spacious lower lounge, the well-equipped kitchen, the sleek bathroom, and the stunning upper-level bedroom and lounge. But of course, a camper is more than just a pretty home on wheels. Next, we're going to dive into what makes the Toyota double-decker camper move. Its performance, its driving experience, and, of course, whether a $145,000 price tag is justified. Stick around, because the final section will tell you if this tower on wheels really delivers on every promise. Driving dynamics are equally impressive. Thanks to Toyota's engineering, the double-decker camper comes with an adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts to road conditions. On smooth highways, It lowers slightly for better aerodynamics and stability. On rougher terrain, it raises to provide extra ground clearance. The system also minimizes sway, so even though you're driving a tall vehicle, you won't feel that unsettling side-to-side rocking every time a gust of wind hits. And because this is Toyota, safety is at the forefront. The double-decker camper comes with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, their latest suite of advanced driver assist features. Adaptive cruise control technology is another area where Toyota pulled out all the stops. The entire motorhome is a smart home on wheels. Using the Toyota RV Connect app, you can control nearly everything remotely. Lighting, climate, security cameras, water tank levels, and even extend or retract the awning. There's also full Wi-Fi connectivity with an integrated 5G modem, ensuring that no matter where you park, you can stay connected. As for who this motorhome is for, honestly, it fits a wide range of people. Couples who want more space than a van but don't want a massive bus-sized RV. Small families looking for a fun, unique way to travel. Digital nomads who need a mobile office and want to live in style. Even retired travelers who want comfort, convenience, and Toyota reliability for their adventures. The double-decker camper isn't trying to compete with every RV. It's carving out its own category. And judging by how many heads it turns, it's already succeeding. So, after seeing it all, the futuristic exterior, the luxurious two-story interior, the hybrid performance, and the surprisingly attainable price, the question is, would you buy it? Would you invest in a tower on wheels and make the road your skyline? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Toyota nailed it with this unique design, or would you stick to a more traditional RV? Drop your answers below, because your opinions help shape the future of this channel. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to RV Deep Dive, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an in-depth look at the latest and greatest motorhomes from around the world. We've got plenty more luxury rigs, innovative concepts, and jaw-dropping designs coming your way. And trust me, you won't want to miss them. Until next time, this has been RV Deep Dive, and I'll see you down the road.